On this video, we'll be learning on how to create up a PDF document on Word. So before we get started, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or any comments, you can put it on the comment section. Next, we are going to open up Word document. Then we're going to select the first document, that is document 2. Click for opening. Then you go straight away to the three dots. Click on the three dots. Then you click on share as PDF session. Then it will direct us to the other apps that we're going to share it with. We're going to select Google Drive. Then you click on it. Then we will see the file name. It is there, the one that of the document that we are going to share with, and the location. Now straight away we are going to click on upload. Then after clicking on the upload, we will go directly to look for Google Drive app, and you click on it for opening. After opening up Google Drive, you'll see the document that has been shared.